Study smart, not hard, is about optimizing your study methods to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Here's how you can apply this principle. 1. Set clear goals. What to do. Break down your study sessions into specific, achievable goals. Why it works. Clear objectives help you stay focused and measure progress. 2. Prioritize high-impact activities. What to do. Focus on the most important and challenging topics first. Why it works. Tackling difficult subjects when you're most alert ensures that you grasp the most critical concepts. 3. Use active learning techniques. What to do. Engage with the material through activities like summarizing, questioning, or teaching others. Why it works. Active learning increases retention and understanding compared to passive reading or highlighting. 4. Incorporate spaced repetition. What to do. Review material over spaced intervals instead of cramming. Why it works. Spaced repetition strengthens long-term memory by revisiting information over time. 5. Apply the Pareto principle 80/20 rule. What to do. Identify the 20% of content that will give you 80% of the results and focus on that. Why it works. Maximizes your study efficiency by concentrating on the most impactful areas. 6. Leverage technology. What to do. Use apps like Anki for spaced repetition, or online resources like YouTube and Khan Academy for concept clarity. Why it works. Technology provides access to diverse study materials and methods, helping you learn more effectively. 7. Practice retrieval. What to do. Test yourself regularly without looking at your notes. Why it works. Retrieval practice improves your ability to recall information when you need it, like during exams. 8. Optimize your environment. What to do. Study in a quiet, organized space with minimal distractions. Why it works. A well-organized environment reduces distractions and increases focus, making study time more productive. 9. Use study groups wisely. What to do. Join or form study groups to discuss and solve difficult problems. Why it works. Collaboration can provide new perspectives and help you understand concepts better. 10. Take regular break. What to do. Use techniques like Pomodoro to balance study and rest. Why it works. Regular breaks prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh, improving overall productivity. By focusing on these strategies, you can study more efficiently, reduce stress, and achieve better results without putting in endless hours.